Hey YouTube, I'm Marissa.
And I'm James.
And today we're in Poland. In this video we want to show you what you can do during a 72-hour trip in Krakow. Square you can find a lot of cute little restaurants and cafes. You can also find souvenir shops selling you amber jewelry, local art, and I guess you can people watch. So if that's something you enjoy, definitely check out this historic market.
Krakow's main market square is the largest medieval square in Europe, measuring 200 by 200 meters. You can take a horse-drawn carriage to tour around the different quarters of the city.
Funny because they're still having Christmas booths, so I guess if you come here in January, early January, you'll still be able to join the Christmas market.
The Krakow Christmas markets offer a lot of delicious Polish street foods for you to try, as well as a variety of arts and crafts.
And while you're visiting the main square, don't forget to check out the super iconic historic building right behind me, the St. Mary's Basilica. There are 168 churches in Krakow, 23 of which are found in the Old Town alone. If you love art and architecture, make sure to plan time to visit some of these beautiful buildings.
We've made it to Wawel Castle, been walking around the grounds, enjoying the view. We're really lucky that today's a nice sunny day because you get so nice view here. The way that the gold's glinting off of that dome there is pretty cool. Anyways, so yeah, lucky day for us. It's been very nice. Walking around the grounds is completely free of charge. You can also pay to go in. We haven't done that yet. We'll have to take a look.
To a free walking tour of the Jewish quarter. James and I do this every time we visit a city, so we're really excited. The way it works is that you just, you stop by, you enjoy the tour, and then at the end you decide what you want to pay the guide.
If you take the Jewish Quarter tour, you'll get to see the filming location for a scene from the movie Schindler's List.
If you're interested in history and Second World War, we would highly recommend that you check out Auschwitz concentration camps.
For a unique cultural experience, try one of the local dinner shows featuring traditional food, music, costumes, and dance. At the Jama Michalika Cafe, we enjoyed a 3-course meal and were even invited to join in the dancing.
white. So if you enjoy culture, you enjoy dance, good food, then I would definitely recommend this. We had a lot of fun, as you can see by the video. We were even dancing with them, and if that's not your thing, you can still watch, so no pressure. But I really recommend that, right, James?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Dancing.
Yes.
Yeah, just being able to join in and party with them. That was cool. It was a good time. During your stay in Poland, make sure you try out the local cuisine. It's amazing. We ordered pierogi basically every day. Watch our Polish food guide video to join us on our foodie adventure.
And of course, what would a vacation be without a little bit of shopping? I personally prefer secondhand shopping, and before we left on our trip, I located a few stores that I thought might be interesting. My favorite store personally was the Flaming secondhand shop. They had really cute stuff and reasonable prices, so if that's something you're into, check it out.
Alright, so those are some things you could do in Krakow in 72 hours. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned a couple of things. Feel free to leave any comments that you have down below. It's our first video, so it's a new experience for us as well. And also, please hit that like button if you're interested in seeing more videos as we continue to make them. Feel free to subscribe as well. See you next time. Ciao!